What is your name? My name is Rodrigo Gusto Mendez. How old are you? I am 13 years old. Where are you from? I am from city of Neiva. Where do you live? I live in the city of Neiva. What is your job? And what is the petroleum sector? What is your hobby? My hobby is play video games. And we were July alive with my son. Where are you studying? I study industrial engineering. What is your favorite TV series? And my favorite series is Naruto. And what is your favorite sport? My sport favorite is soccer. Three people in my family. My wife is Tatiana, right, and she's 13 years old. And she's an industrial safe engineer, and she's from Neiva. My wife is very cute, and she saw her eyes are brown, and she has black hair. My son is 10 years old and is think. His height is back and strength, and he is very hyperactive. My father is 62 years old. He worked in the oil industry and had things contacts, and his eyes are green. Thank you very much.